Hello Monster Truck Classic subscribers and viewers. It's been a while since I uploaded a Hot Wheels unboxing or anything that had to do with Hot Wheels Monster Jam toys. But I did receive today here on March the 24th Hot Wheels the 1/64th scale Monster Jam Assortment Case F that I purchased from Grandpa's Diecast. I'll put a link down in the description for you so that you might want to buy a case from him. It was the first time for me to buy something from him, and he's a very nice guy. So you might already know what's in this case. But here we go. Case F. Oh yeah, look at that. Wonder Woman. 2018 new truck of Wonder Woman. Very cool. Who else we got in here? A second Wonder Woman. That truck is really cool. Of course we got the Grave Digger. And remember, this is with includes the Recrushable Car series here in 2018. One of the Mad Scientists. 2018 new look of the VP Racing Fuels Mad Scientist, and it's pretty cool because it's not the mud treads, it's just the regular tires. That's really cool. Who else is in this series? Oh, look at that truck. The 2018 new look of Jester. Up next is the Chromophorus Dragon. There's 2 or 4 in the Chromophorus Dragon. Up next, who else? Okay, we got Monster Mutt. Nothing real new there, unless you didn't get him last year. Also in this case is the new look for Max D, the red or cherry look. We'll have to take a look at that. And we get Metal Militia, number 16 of 19 in the tour favorites. Alright, here is Zombie Hunter in the Chromofrost series. He is number 3 or 4 in the Chromofrost. Alright, Nitro Hornet, a original Hot Wheels truck. Nitro Hornet. He's number 3 of 6 in the Mud series. Not real too keen on that one. Don't really care for it. And then we have, my first golden truck. Number 2 of 3 in the golden machines for this year is Mohawk Warrior. Very nice. Wow. That's pretty cool. I like the Blackout series, but Golden Machines might be pretty cool. I don't have the Golden Machine Grave Digger. But okay, that does it for the unboxing of what's in Case F for the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. I'll be doing some individual unboxings from these trucks, especially right here, Wonder Woman. awesome looking new truck for 2018. Thank you for tuning in.